What's up, gals? Welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I'm going to be doing a haul from Sephora. I haven't done one of these on my channel in years. It's been a long time and I've been buying a lot of stuff from Sephora. So this is kind of like what I've been buying, like a collective haul, because I've been buying a lot of stuff and then there's also stuff that I've kind of gotten and haven't really gotten around to using. I was like, you know, let me just throw it all into one haul. Before we get started, make sure you guys go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Also, like the video, I want you to fight the like button, okay? Smash the like button. Also, make sure you guys subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and turn the bell notification on, that way you're always notified. And drop a comment down below letting me know if you have been buying, and if, I don't know, is it just me, but this whole COVID quarantine, like I've been buying a lot online, and I don't know why, because it takes forever for things to get around, but I just can't stop. Let me know if you've been having like a crazy shopping habit too. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So starting off, I picked up these glosses from Sephora Collection, and these are amazing. This is a newer formula, a newer packaging, and let me just say I like this much better than the previous glosses that they're still currently selling by Sephora Collection. These are amazing. It's my type of texture. I feel like their previous ones just didn't have enough stickiness to make it a lip gloss. These are perfect. Like, it's not too sticky to where it's like uncomfortable, but it's like perfect, like what a gloss texture should feel like. And they have it in like super like crazy colors. I picked up some of the more duochrome ones and like some, like, I guess neutral color, and then the rest are like kind of like shifting shades. And these retail for $10, and I'm actually wearing this one on my lips. This one is called Blessed because I'm blessed. Blessed and not stressed. So I'm wearing this one on my lips, and let me just go over this because I feel like people might ask in comments what I'm wearing on my lips. I am wearing the Juvia's Place Cola lip liner, and then I have the Juvia's Place Muted lipstick on top, and then topped with the lip gloss from Sephora Collection. And then on my eyes, if you care, I am using the new Plain and Makeup by Yolando, their Artistry Vault palette. It looks like this, super colorful, but I kept it pretty neutral. But yeah, just in case anybody cares, I am using those things. And the colors that I picked up were the shade Blessed, which I already told you guys that I'm wearing on my lips, and I picked up the shade Strut, which is like, it looks white but it has like a gold reflect in it. It's super cute. It reminds me of that Bite Beauty lip gloss that came out years ago for holiday. And then I picked up the shade Slay, which is like a purple pink duochrome shade. Then I have this one right here called Money, which literally looks like money. Like, oh, it's like a pink gold duochrome. And then I got this shade right here called Witty, which is just like a nice like mauve gloss color. So these are beautiful and I love it. I'm just gonna go ahead and get all the lips out the way. Next, I got this lip gloss from Artist Couture. I use this all the time here on my channel. It's in the shade Uncensored 2.0. You guys have seen me use this color so many times. It is the perfect nude. It kind of looks like the lip gloss I have on right now, just a little bit more, just a little bit lighter, but my goodness, like, this is always sold out, but if you're ever able to get your hands on this color, you're gonna love it. I prompt, like, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And then I picked up this lip gloss from Too Faced. This is their lip gloss in the shade 401K, and it's like a pinky purple duochrome color. Ooh, I'm excited. Even though, like, you know, we are like mandated, at least here in Texas, because I know not everybody's listening to it, but we are mandated here to wear the mask. So I'm buying all these lip products, but since we got to wear the mask and we might not be able to wear our liquid lipsticks, our glosses, there come lip balms. So I picked up 3 different lip balms that I have been using. I have been using these. I couldn't wait. So starting off with the Smith's Tropical Ambrosia Balm. This is a nice balm. It does have more of like that like, even though it's a lip balm, it doesn't, like, it's nice. Let me just say that. It's nice. Is it the best? No. Sometimes it kind of feels like it's just sitting on the lips and not really penetrating. But I mean, it isn't expensive. It's cheap. Like, I mean, if you're just looking for something to just kind of, you know, throw on, perfect. But now, the Jack Black, their lip balm, this is the best $8 that you will ever spend. This, oh my gosh, beautiful. Like, it literally penetrates lips. It is so hydrating, and this one does not have a shine. Neither one of these have like a shine or gloss to them. So if you want like a balm to just be no shine, you will like these. Then if you're someone like me who does like a nice little gloss sometimes, you know, all the time, the Jouer Essential Lip Enhancer is going to be amazing. I love this. It is glossy, so your lips are going to pop if you want them to pop, even though we wear the mask. But it is very hydrating. And also the Jack Black, it does have an SPF of 25 in there. You know, our SPF is needed. It is good for you. So I think that is it with lips. We're gonna move on to like the stuff that I got for the eyes. So I did pick up 2 of the One Size Beauties by Patrick Starr, his eye poppers, and I got this shade in Everything and More in Continental. I love me a nice rose gold shadow. And you guys know I love an olive green. Like I love a jade. Like this color, oh, excuse me, sorry, this color looks so good. All right, next I picked up these cake liners from ABH, and honestly I had no intention of buying this, and then I realized I don't have any like nice neon liners, and I'm really kind of getting more into that really colorful style of makeup. Like when I say the amount of rainbow palettes, colorful palettes that I have been buying, I am like, it's crazy. I am a gel type of person. It's easier for me to do. I don't like doing the liquid, like the one you dip and like you put on. So I was like, you know what, I might give this a try, because technically they're water activated. So without water, they stay in their form, right? So I got me both colors. I got the neon orange, which I can't wait to play with this. I already tried out the white, like I was practicing with it to kind of like see how it works. And then it has the purple in here. And then this is the other stack. It is the neon pink. Oh, it is the neon pink with the yellow and the neon green. And I can't wait to play with all of these. Like, I'm having so much fun with makeup again, like just coming up with like creative looks and stuff, and just finding things that I want to do with my makeup, even though today's eye look is so kind of neutral. All right, continuing on with ABH, I have their Norvina Volume 1 here. I own all of the Norvina Pro palettes, the mini ones, and I honestly bought this just because it was on sale and I wanted to complete the collection. I know that sounds crazy, it's like, what? But you know what? Don't be like me, okay? Be better, okay? And think about what you're doing before you do it. But yes, it looks like this, and it's kind of like a miniature version of the Norvina Pro 1. It has similar colors in here. They're not spot on, but they do have similar colors in here. So yeah, and I believe that all the mini ones are still on sale as I'm filming this video. So if you wanted to try any of those, but you didn't want to like fork out the money for the big pro palettes, you can try this one out. Next, I got the Artist Couture, the Supreme Nude Eyeshadow Palette. I have tried this out like 1 or 2 times and I love it. Now this is a very, very neutral palette. It's very neutral, and honestly, off the bat, it can just come off boring, but for some reason, this neutral palette called my name, because I normally do not buy things like this anymore. Like, I don't. But it was just something about this. Like, it's the perfect size, it has the perfect colors, and it can work for deeper skin tones, lighter skin tones. But this palette, oh my gosh, like, they cannot keep this in stock. Like, I've been waiting for it to come back in stock because I actually want to buy another one of these for like a very, very, very late birthday gift for a friend. I wanted to get this for her because I feel like this would be perfect. It's neutral, it's small, like she can make this work, but they have not come back in stock with this, and I want this exact palette for her. So I've been keeping a lookout, and if I see another one, I'm grabbing it. But I freaking love this palette. It's perfect, it's travel friendly, like it's small, it has everything you would need to make a nice everyday look. It is perfect for like the everyday woman who just likes to keep it simple, soft. So yeah, the only thing I would say I would have loved for it to have a black, but I like for every palette to have a black, because a black is essential to me. Like, so if I was to travel with that palette, I still would pack like a black single, because I need a black eyeshadow. It is like necessary. I love me some black shadow. Next, I have the Gemini palette from Melt Cosmetics. This is my first ever, I'm trying to open this. This is my first ever Melt palette. I only own 2 of their lipsticks when they first came out. And I believe, wasn't she at one point, wasn't one of them one of like Rihanna's makeup artists? That's what I remember, like not the selling point, but like people would say, like, I know I'm not going crazy, but somehow they're affiliated to Rihanna, one of them or somebody. But I have like their Space Cake in one of those shades. But yeah, so this is the Gemini palette, and it looks like this. And when, oh gosh, this is so pretty. Like, these shades are what called me in. I love jade, I love olive, I love like that mossy green color. Oh my goodness. And so it's perfect. And then it also has some neutrals in here, so you know you can mix and match it. And then it has a black, and the black is black. Okay, can I just say it is black? Blackly black, black, black. I freaking love it, man. These colors, they're intense. They're intense. I have done like one look with this palette. Yet again, I couldn't wait. I couldn't wait. I was like, I want to try it out. My next purchase. This is when I feel like things just started going downhill for me. Like, I was doing so good, and then I bought these palettes. So I have never bought anything from this brand, and I've been looking at this stuff, I've been swatching it, you know, I'm like, I don't know. And then I finally went ahead and did it. In one sitting, I purchased 3 Pat McGrath palettes. 3! Oh my gosh. Anybody who knows that these palettes are expensive. These expensive. Okay, and honestly I was trying to really just buy 2, and I was trying to narrow it down to 1, but then my coworker Rachel got into my head and was like, no, like, you need this one. So I was like, okay, well, Rachel says I need it, so I need it. And then I ended up buying 3. How's that? Put on my Instagram story so that people can talk me out of buying one. And before I knew it, I was buying an additional one on top of the one that I was trying not to buy. But anyways, I got me the Mothership 5. It looks like this, and oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. These colors are crazy. If you can only get one Mothership palette, I would get the 5. Like, I have used this a couple of times. I could not wait. Next, I got the Mothership 8, the Divine Rose 2 palette. But it looks like this. And this is the palette I was trying to talk myself out of buying, because in all honesty, I only wanted this shade. And Pat McGrath is a freaking mastermind. That woman is a genius. Like, she knows not to put any of these really as singles, because people will buy that one shade. Like, you gotta buy the whole palette to kind of get what you want. And, you know, yeah. But look at it. Oh my gosh. I did use this one. I did use this palette as well. And I'm gonna swatch it here. Look at this. What? Sorry, my desk is becoming a mess. And then lastly, I got the Mothership 3, the Subversive. I have not used this one. And honestly, I'm surprised, because this is the one I was the most excited to get. And it looks like this. I have swatched them, but I have not actually put this on my eye yet. And I really want to play with this color, and that color. And I want to try this black. I want to see how black it can go. Let me swatch them. Ooh, that black looks good. That looks good. I can't wait to try this out. All right, we're almost done. I'm gonna move on into complexion now. So we've done eyes, we've done lips, we're gonna move into complexion. I picked up the Makeup Forever, their Matte Velvet Skin Powder in the shade Y405. I literally bought this because Makeup Shayla raves about this all the time. She talks about how she uses this powder to set underneath her eyes. Well, she sets her eyes first with like some other powders, and she goes with this one. She talks about how good it's for like camera and photography. I was like, well, let me pick up one too. And I have tried it out. I did try it out, and I will say I do like it. Now, I haven't like actually taken a picture with it to see how it photographs, but yeah, she talks about it all the time. So I was like, well, let me try it out. Then I got the bronzer from Jouer. This is their Sunswept bronzer, and it looks like this. And it is beautiful. This is a really, really pretty bronzer. Unfortunately, this is the deepest shade of bronzer they have, which, you know, I'm having a really hard time understanding. And this is not to put down any company, because I'm not a chemist. I don't do product creation and all that stuff. So I don't know what goes into like creating foundations and shades and all this stuff. But I really don't understand why bronzers can be made in deeper shades. Like, I don't understand. And then brands like this one, not even this one, brands that have more money, simply they don't do it. And we all kind of know why they don't do it, because you honestly just don't care. Black people don't matter to you. That's really what it is. But they be the same ones be talking about Black Lives Matter. If it did, then why do you have these shades of foundation, but your bronzers can't even show up on 20 of the shades? Just saying. But you see companies like Makeup Revolution, and they're able to do it. So have y'all seen the Makeup Revolution bronzers? Like, they go deep, and they're like $8, and it's a huge pan. So I really don't understand, but hey, you know. So this is the bronzer, and it is gorgeous. They do need to make more shades. I do like the fact that it does have like 2 sides. So if I wanted a less red bronzer, I can use this side. If I wanted something a little bit more red, with a little more warmth, I can mix them, or I can wear it by its own. I really do like it, but y'all gotta make more shades, okay? Like, I am not the deepest, the darkest person of color, okay? You, come on now. All right, lastly, I picked up 2 foundations. You guys have seen me use this a couple of times here on my channel. I love it. I recently got it. It is the Anastasia, their Luminous foundation. I wear the shade 490W. I absolutely love this foundation. It is a medium coverage with a natural finish. Listen, this is beautiful, okay? It's very, very pretty.
Just making sure you didn't forget.
No, I couldn't forget my dad's birthday. I'm in the middle of filming, so I'll call you later.
All right.
My brother always calls me to tell me, did you call dad for his birthday, or did you call mom for her birthday? Like, I'm not an idiot. Like, I can remember my own parents' birthday and give him a call for the birthday. Like, dang, I already called him. Yeah, happy birthday, dad. Moving on, I got the Jouer, their Essential High Coverage Cream Foundation. I wear the shade Praline, however you say it. And this foundation, listen, if you like full coverage, this is it for you right here, okay? This foundation is like paint. So I would definitely recommend you trying this out if you're looking for like a full coverage matte foundation. This you will like. Yeah, you guys, that is the end of this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I need to stop buying stuff, but there's more stuff coming out that I want. Like that new Colored Rain palette, I want. That new Be Perfect times Stacey Marie Carnival 3 palette, I want. I think that's it. And after that, I have to chill because I can only buy so much. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like the video, comment down below, subscribe if you're not subscribed, follow me on Instagram. And until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye.